Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sindy Akpolo, and if you're just joining, welcome. If this is your first time joining or stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you guys for your love and your support. This tutorial, I'm going to be doing this trend on YouTube, this foxy eye makeup on YouTube. The foxy eye makeup is similar to the cat eye look or cat eye makeup, but to be showing you how to achieve or how to do a foxy eye look or a fox eye look makeup or a fox eye makeup, whichever sounds right or whichever sounds correct. So if this is the kind of video you like to see here on my channel, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. To be moisturizing my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. My brows, I'm going to be using the Zaron Eyebrow Definer to brush up my brows like I would normally do. And I'm going to feel it from here. So instead of taking it all the way down here, you want to take it like this. Doing my brows like this. So I'm like this, I'm taking it up. So I'm going to fill it in, like draw the line like this. Repeat or do the same step on the other eye. So you want to take your brows or your brow upwards or up rather than bringing it down. So with this, you can see my brows is not the usual or the same as I would normally or usually do my brows. You can see there is already a lift here on my brows. I don't know if you can see. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal Plus Define Concealer, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount at the back of my hand. Always try to check between your brows. So if you find out that they are not like giving you the exact shape you want, continuously go back in with the concealer to clean them up. So with this, my brows are really not looking alike, but you get the point. They already get the shape, or they already have the shape, and we're not going to waste time doing the brows. So I'm just going to quickly clean this up. I'm going to go back in with the same concealer we used earlier to prime my lids. Eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Focallure Everchanging Eyeshadow Palette, and for my transition shade, I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to place that on my eyes like so. So with this, you're not going to follow your eye shape, and I'm going to drag that out. So I'm going to drag that out like this, and I'm not following my eye shape, so dragging that out. You can tell the difference between here and here. Let's repeat or do the same on the other side of the eye. I'm going to use this shade right here. It all like so. To go in with this color, this shade here, and I'm going to create like a wing I'm going to use this brush I used earlier for my brows. So I'm going to take this shade in 4 and just kind of smoke that out. So this is like me creating an ombre effect with this while I'm smoking that out. I don't know if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to go in with my BrownMelanin makeup, Melanin Fantasy palette, and for that I'm going to take this shade. So this shade is going to give me like a smoky depth effect, and that's what we are looking for, or that's what we're going for. And use that to smudge out my lower lashes like this. Go back in with this shade for my inner corner. Using this shade I used earlier. For liner, I'm going to use this Focallure brown liner in dark chocolate. I'm going to line my inner corner. What do they call this side? I'm going to line here. What do they call it? I'm going to tight line it. Yeah, tight lining my eyes. So that's what the effect I'm going to do. And for mascara, I'm going to use the black Opal volumizing mascara. Comb it up like this to make it look fuller. And I'm also going to apply some lashes off camera real quick and finish the rest of my makeup and come back to show you guys the finished look. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things from this tutorial or from this makeup. Look at how snatched the eye look is. So you can see the uplift, or you can see the lift from the eyes, and like so you can see the lift from the eyes. It looks somewhat similar to the regular cat eye look, but with a different technique or different application or different ways to apply it. If this is kind of tutorials you like to see here on this channel, do let me know in the comment section down below. Comment what your thoughts are concerning this makeup look, and leave your comments below as well if you have suggestion or makeup looks you want me to film or you like me to film, and I'll be glad to attend or film a tutorial for you relating to your questions or to your comments. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and share this tutorial, share it to your friends, family, and loved ones, and share it to everybody you know or you have that is related to you. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye guys.